I did
Got
that
it.
for the bot I made earlier.
Yeah.
For my Bluester bot I made earlier, I
Yeah.
literally said, "Hey, can this work like this? Yes or no?" Basically, and I described the whole feature, and then Claude responds, "Yes, this can work exactly like this. Here, let me build it." I'm like, "Oh, well, I didn't tell you to go ahead, but I guess since I was right, then sure, go ahead and build it." And I just, I let it
That the
continue to
flattery always
build,
works, right? It's
and
always kissing your ass.
it's like, "You're absolutely right."
You're always absolutely right with AI. Like, God, you're never wrong. But yeah, no, but that was one thing I had to learn last night was like, this is frustrating me, but I can just throw it out and start over because code is really disposable now. Like, just fuck it, let it go,
And
like start over.
I've done that. I've vibe coded several apps that I had an idea and I maybe didn't have it fully developed how I
Yeah.
wanted it to function and it just wasn't working correctly. So I literally deleted it and started over because now I knew once I saw it. It's that age old thing that developers used to say, and some of them still do, is that when they're working with like a team, the team kind of says what they want, but they don't know how they want it to function. So the developer basically has to figure that out themselves. And the developer says, well, they'll know what they want when they see it.
I've
Basically, when
noticed
I
that
design it and
too.
give it to them, they'll be like, oh, yeah, that's what I want. Or they'll
Yeah.
see it and they'll be like, you know what? Now that I visually see it, no, that is
That's
not what
what
I
I
want.
do. I don't quite know what I want. Sometimes I just want to see what it can do, and then it
You
builds me
have an
something.
idea.
Yeah, like I have a vague idea and then I start messing with it and and then I start to get better ideas. And so it's a good thinking exercise. So I have like a couple of goals now. Like I want to be able to do like what Derek does where I build apps that have users, right? Cuz it's like that's cool. And then I also like I want to be able to build the kind of apps that solve the problems that I have, that and serve the ideas that I have so that I can make cool things that I'm like, I'm really into this. I'll probably like actually buy the domain name and make the actual
Yeah.
site, and maintain it.
No,
Cause like, I feel like I've had a lot of
I think that
practice now.
well, that means that you've reached the next level. Once you start buying
Mhm.
domain names for your apps, then they
I'm
feel
almost there.
more real, in my opinion.
Mhm. But I
It's
don't
another
mind
rabbit
like the
hole, and then you
free
start buying all these
hosting.
domain names.
Yeah, I was looking at domain names today. I was like, I think I have some ideas. I'm like, I don't know if I can pull it off, but I'm getting there. That could be
So
fun.
I built just yesterday and today 2 really cool new apps I'm really excited for. And
Mm.
they don't have domain names yet, but they might.
They might
They're
get
just
there.
on they're on, Shakespeare hosted and Vercel or Netlify, sorry, Netlify hosted and Shakespeare hosted domain
Mhm.
names right now, but subdomains.